This tutorial is for 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 32. In this lesson, we will continue to use the forgiving method of division to help us solve word problems. The first problem says, a concert hall contains 8 sections of seats with the same number of seats in each section. If there are 248 seats, how many seats are in each section? So we're going to start by writing an answer statement with a blank where the final answer goes. I see that we have 8 sections of seats, and each section has the same amount. That tells me it's going to be division because it's equal amounts, and that we have 248 seats in all. So the question is, how many seats are in each section? My answer statement will say there are blank seats in each section. For my division problem, I know that the 248 is the dividend and the divisor is 8. So I have 8 sections, 248 seats in all. So I need to start pulling groups of 8 out of the 248. If I think of some of my 8 facts, I know that 2 times 8 is 16, so 20 times 8 would be 160, so I can start there. 24 minus 16 is 8, and then I can see right away that 11 times 8 is 88, so I can take 11 groups out, and that finishes my problem. Add up the number of groups, and I get 31. 31 is my quotient, and 31 is my answer. There are 31 seats in each section. This says, in one day the bakery made 719 bagels. The bagels were divided into 9 equal shipments. A few bagels were left over and given to the baker. How many bagels did the baker get? I'll start by writing my answer statement. I will say the baker got the blank leftover bagels. This helps me focus on what my final answer needs to be. To work my numbers into my division bracket, I know I have 719 bagels. That's my dividend. We're dividing them into 9 equal shipments, so 9 is my divisor. Thinking of groups of 9 that I can get out of 719. Well, I know 7 times 9 is 63, so I'm going to start with 70 times 9. That's 630, and I can subtract that. Leaves me with 89, and I know 9 times 9 is 81, so I'm going to take 9 groups of 9 out, subtract that, and that leaves me with 8. Now I can't take any more groups of 9 out of 8, so that 8 is going to be my remainder. If I add up the groups, I have 79 groups, or 79 bagels in each shipment, according to the word problem, and 8 as my remainder, or my leftover. This is where writing the sentence helps with our answer. The baker got the blank leftover bagels, so it wouldn't make sense to say that the baker got the 79 bagels. He got the remainder, or the leftover. So the baker got the 8 leftover bagels.